What's up, guys? It's your favorite reseller, Morgan. Come unpack returns with me. This pile has been sitting here for a long time, to say the least. So let's see what we got. These are Amazon and Walmart returns. So this is a prime example of just because an item was hot one year does not mean that it'll be hot the following year. I bought these during a Christmas clearance sale in 2023, and I sent them into Amazon in 2024, and I think I sold like 2 of them. There's more. And now they are expiring, so Amazon is sending them back to me. They expire at the end of May. So that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Oh my gosh, there's more. I actually didn't even realize that these were expiring. I didn't pay attention to my spreadsheet, so I was surprised I got this many back. I had already previously gotten some back that I gave to my kids. Oh, and there's more. So these, because they don't expire until the end of May, I'll probably just donate to some neighborhood kids or something. Ooh. So that is actually a personal package. I got some toothpaste for our kids. All right, moving on to the next one. And my husband stole my box cutter, which is so annoying. So now I am using a kitchen knife to open these packages. This is a hazmat one, and I actually don't know what this is, but we're about to find out. So it looks like this is an aerosol. Oh, I'm actually still selling this, so I'm not going to show you guys that. Okay, so next, another Amazon package, and let's guess. What do you think it is? It is some more hot chocolate. Also, I got gated in Starbucks with this huge, regating, so even if they weren't expired, I couldn't sell them anyway. This one looks like a Walmart return, if I had to guess. Let's see. Walmart is notorious for sending stuff in boxes that are way too big for the actual product. So let's see if that's actually the case. In this case, this is some Wicked slippers. They're saying that it's damaged, but that's actually the same poly bag that I sent those in. It just looks like the poly bag has a little tear in it. So those are actually resellable. In the next package, that was actually a decent sized box for that. I mean, they could have polybagged it, but whatever. Oh, I'll take the win. So the next package, let's see. Free air bubbles. We have some, Dunkin', I think that's pumpkin pie K-cups. They also said that that was damaged, and that's also the poly bag that I sent that in. So it looks like the poly bag is just torn a little bit, which means that that's resellable. It expires, I think it was in August or September, so I can send that right back out. I hate the form that comes with Walmart, how it doesn't tell you why it's being returned. Oh, and this is just some sprinkles. It still has the security seal on it. I guess maybe the customer just didn't want it. I don't know. I didn't check my return report, but we're going to resell that too. This one, I was trying to find the label to see if I could figure out what warehouse it came from, but that is the warehouse that most of my stuff goes to. I was just kind of not sure what this was. Let's see. More air bubbles. As you can see, I was surprised to see these come back, but it looks like that they expire next week. So that's why they sent those back. Honestly, I'll probably just give those to a mom in the neighborhood or something. They're, I think they're caramel cookie duo K-cups or something like that. Yeah, and there was 4 of them in the box. Honestly, guys, this will probably be a multi-part video. I have return piles all around the house. I have some in the basement on the side where my office isn't, and then I have some in the basement on the side where my office is. So we'll probably just make this a multi-part video at this point. That other box is my husband's box for once he had something, so he can't say that my boxes are taking up the front area because his boxes were there too. Okay, next package. This is Amazon. Let's see what they send back. As you could see, I'm surprised on what they're sending back. I can't even tell you the last time that I sold this. And I don't know why they're sending it back. So I'm checking to see the expiration date, and lo and behold, the expiration date is wild on this, guys. I don't know if you can see that. I'll post a picture. It says July 31st, 2024. It is April 2025. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.